Who said I love you first? Simuza boss. That's a yeah. J'avais chatting Katamaza. Et parce que vous avez me poser ici, il y a Simon. Next question. During an argument, who is usually the first to apologize? Right, not even tend to get confusion. Next question. Who is likely to be the strict parent? And she wasn't married, but I didn't know. As in actually nonsense, same married. Same as I good. How do you feel now? Just that we are cool parents. Who's on? Alright, it's a good one. It's okay. Who is stronger spiritually? I'm not going to this week to win up church. I think this doesn't matter. Who is stronger spiritually? Yeah. Eh, more big is a mono garana way. I might tell you something. Never seen it like, oh, baby, oh, baby, thank you so much, Alicia. Lovely. Who spends money recklessly? And who pays the money? Simon say what? I'm not trained on a marriage officer. I'm going to see it.
Okay.
Our next performance is okay. Our next performer is a surprise. Yeah, it's in our chat.
Yes.
Coma levels.
Yes.
And now women and coma levels.
So what our next performance?
Yes.
This
also.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I Trevor. Come on, Trevor. Cloud more to our vote on your chat. Alright. Hello. Hello. Right, very indicating at the program. Very indicating. Paris, you know, ladies and gentlemen, we want to honor a special person, a special company, or a special place that was given to us. Cake Ratina Romzwaranas, it's all the way from Obulawayo. So, Panguma, you know, I'm going to call upon the guy from the cake company. In 1 minute, Mongotipa a brief about your cake. Michelle Alexander, a way of family. And she paid the cake presentation yagi. And she paid that, and I take it, wind up a cake up. Babana Maynat, wind up a cake. I need you. You come and ask the presentation yagi. DJ levels, running commitment about the winter. So I was going to Zim dance or one is levels 5 minutes undisturbed. 20 such a beautiful. Hi guys, I'm the Begging King ZW. Giving that this masterpiece. I'm happy to have done this work, and I hope that guests are enjoying this beautiful masterpiece. Alright. I'm Begging King ZW. So we are found on all social media platforms. Twitter and Facebook and Instagram. Okay guys, so promotion media platform, the Begging King ZW. Facebook, Instagram, you can go there and see all the beautiful work that we do. Thank you so much.
Mr. Mpeiwa.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Mr. Mpeiwa,
our cake officiating. Please come. Babana Mainati, Monomira cake. Anatete, Wenda over cake. Ladies and gentlemen, our gift table is still open. pane zvipo nyoresaiwo zvipo zvenyu apa mouya nereceipt renyu kuno vanditika Brenda Group ndokumbirawo muende pacake nakungoita hand over 5 minutes to our resident DJ Ngoma Levels. Ladies and gentlemen, DJ. All right. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Right. Who's the next artist wangu? Alamusu artist uyano pesa. Andika. Mwana mzia angaema yuti. Hembe wa bisile. Trinuzana. Aliko bano. Lovely. Tukumiro aluko officiator. I'm sorry. Hello. I'm sorry. Nakuchaura. Hello. Tuko tena na officiating ni cake cutting. Unawabire igodoro. Right. Thank you. I'm sorry. Takuta kushika pa cake.
Alisika mudi.
Cutting anilika. Latipo.
Ndio examiner.
Koma washitimika.
Zote na MC mnaita zona.
Hapana nipo.
Makati vanhu vajesu.
Tingatoti
Takamira kekere. Makati mai na babanya. Tinotenda. Isense yakagadzirwa keke pamuchato. Inyaya yekuda kunzwisisa zvakakosha zvachataura apa in 1 minute. First ndeyekuti keke ichigadzirwa rine salt. Chopadere vakabika. Zvakutenderana nazvo. Rine sugar futi. Salt inovava, sugar inotapira. Asi zvakombaina zvinobuda chinhu chinonaka. Mai nababa pamuchange muri mumba. Pane masizini anovava, pane masizini anotapira. Hapana zvokurasa umwe nekuti tavavirwa nhasi kana kuti tatapirwa mangwana. Tinoramba tiri pamwe chete. Saka symbolism yatichaita kuti ticharamba tiri pamwe chete. Vachacheka keke, mai nababa nyati. Mai nyati votanga kupa baba nyati vodya. Kana vapedza, baba nyati vachachekawo kapisi vopawo futi mai nyati vodya. Imi pange papera ndopa MC kuchadecide kuti tese tinodya here kana kuti hatidyi. Hama dzepanyati dzichadya here, hama dzekamanyati dzichadya here, kana dzichidya dzinodya sei. Ndozvidzosera kuna MC. Chakakosha iko family yatoda kuona kuti paichabva pano ichange ichibatirana panovava nepanotapira. Panguva inotora hemukeke renyu manyati mucheke radochekwa kudhara. Maybe sedora yako nokumbijana. Sedora yako nokumbijana. Tora chipisi chinodyiwa nababa vachikwanisa kupedza. Munoziva kuti vanodya chakaita sei. Muvafidhe vacho. Vaise muromo. Akadya mupesi. Sakamirira. Nenge vapedza torai mupewo mama yavanopedza futi vadye vapedze tese takamira. Tinotenda MC vari kupi? MC soderai padhuze mutore chimuti chenyu